Hi, my name's Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Screed. So what exactly can you expect from our operatives when they arrive on site? What do you actually need to provide? So up to that time, Screed will have been in touch with you, discussing your needs, confirming the order, confirming all our requirements that in terms of where the materials are going to be delivered, the access required, what the process is. We'll have been in touch by this point. So by the time our operatives turn up to site, you'll be fully aware of the materials and the process of us actually mixing the screed at that point. When the operatives arrive on site, they will then complete a full site check. They have a list to go through, so it'll be a case of confirming first of all the datum really. So where is your datum? Where do you need the screed to basically come up to? What is that level that you need? So it's confirming that. It's confirming that we understand where that level is and that it's actually achievable. Is it a case that we've got enough depth? Is it a case also that we're trying to achieve multiple datums that are not level? So all these things will be discussed. We'll go through and laser the project before we actually start laying the screed, just to make sure that it is possible to actually do this. They'll go on a walk round of the preparation to look for any obvious issues with the preparation if we haven't completed it. Now, it's not to say that we're going to be able to pick up on all faults, but if we've got anything that is obvious there, then we'll actually look at that. We'll look at any potentials for issues of egress, of it could be rain, etc. Any potential problems will be highlighted at that particular time. So once we've kind of checked all that out, we're checking the areas, ensuring that we're meeting your exact requirements. The guys will then start the mixing process. So generally we will need access to water. So it'll either involve the water will be involved in the mixing process and or the washing out process afterwards. So we'll need a good supply of water. We'll also need an area to mix to place our pump. So the pumps that we operate are trailer mounted pumps. So that's the same if we're mixing on site or if we're having pre-mixed materials delivered to site. We'll need somewhere to actually place the pump. They are trailer mounted, and you're looking at around about 5 meters in length with the towing mechanism as well. So once we've completed the project, we'll be washing out. There'll be a small amount of waste product as well. So we should have pre-agreed an area to have the waste. We are able to provide skits, but this needs to be arranged in advance. Generally, you will have discussed these requirements beforehand. After we've completed the project, the team will actually go through the aftercare information. So the aftercare information should have been passed through at order stage. So when we've confirmed the order, you should get a copy of the aftercare data sheet, so how it needs to be taken care of to maximise its longevity and its performance. We should also give a physical copy on site, so that should be something that you receive on site as well. So that is the basics of what we'll require, what you can expect. We want you to be happy with the screed, with the workmanship. So we try and take out all eventualities before we get to site. But there are occasionally some things that need to be worked through on site. But 99 times out of 100, we can work out a solution if there is any issues there. So I hope this has been of some help. Thank you.